Hello, this is Emil Guerra, the Airjet zephyr train engineer. Are you ready for going to Bigtop supermarket to get some big grocery foods? Alright. Fasten your seatbelts, get ears and how to full max speed ahead. All aboard! Here we go! Next up, Bigtop supermarket grocery foods. Well, Mr. Cullen gets to the supermarket. Alright, we are on our way to the supermarket, a Bigtop supermarket. It's a cool Airjet road trip play sound. Heading to the gas station and flying. What do you think, kids? Here's our max speed is over. Let's lay on the exit. First, I'm gonna take this all apart. There. Good as new. The Airjet Zero road trip plate, these legends now turned off. How cool is that? Okay, make sure cars are not coming. Make sure cars don't. Make sure no cars are coming. We're good. We're regular non-speed highway, non-max speed highway. It's 30 miles an hour. Now listen up, children. It's very important to be nice to a clown, okay? We want to talk about food, okay? When you're hungry, okay? Lose weight. Have you gone to Krusty Krab before?
Yeah.
What do you eat?
A crab patty.
Wow, it's very good as crab patty. Alright guys, here we are. Bigtop Supermarket. Let's read I'm gonna read some bricks. Here we are, kids. Bigtop Supermarket. Listen to this. Very cool supermarket. Now get out of shots and big food. One more thing. Don't misbehave at the supermarket. Okay? So let's get out there and buy some simple foods. Alright. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do it. That's how you get to Bigtop Supermarket to see big grocery foods. This is Samuel Guerra. Signing off. Before signing off, I want to thank you for a lot of Airjet Zero Road Train, a lot of subscribers. About the Airjet Zero Road Train play and continue of subscribers. Before that, we'll take a look. We got some carrots. Oh, never mind. It's rolled off. We got some carrots, corn, broccoli, celery, and other vegetable, eggplant, carrot, apples, cherries, kiwi, bananas, oranges, grapes, blueberries, strawberries, and many much lost strawberries. Alright, this is Simi O'Gara signing off, and then thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video about just for more Airjet Star Road Trip Play Express.